Manage parts inventory with categories, pricing, and stock control. Inventory management begins in the Masters module, the foundation for categorized asset maintenance. Part categories organize inventory items into logical groups to streamline reporting and procurement workflows enterprise-wide. The parts registry maintains a comprehensive database of all components required for preventative maintenance operations. Unique identifiers and asset classifications ensure data integrity while preventing duplicate entries throughout the system. Unit pricing and asset classes determine financial valuation and technical specifications for every individual component. Associating parts with specific categories automates tax calculations and maintenance schedule templates for better compliance. Searchable tags enhance parts findability for maintenance teams during time-sensitive and critical repair operations. Detailed descriptions provide technicians with essential technical specifications to ensure accurate and safe component replacement. Uploaded technical documentation ensures that critical safety and installation manuals remain accessible at the point of use. High-resolution images allow for instant visual verification of components during the complex procurement and receiving process. Defining storage locations and minimum stock levels automates replenishment alerts to prevent costly maintenance delays. Centralized parts management optimizes inventory turnover and ensures maximum uptime for all critical business assets. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.